What's going on, YouTube fam? We back with another one. Yes, another one. You heard it first. Yo, hey, thank y'all for running these numbers up. And hey, being a part of the Be Okay family. Cause without y'all, there will be no me. So thanks for watching and hey, thanks for subscribing. Hey, we here. Road to 1,500 and let's go. Let's go. So if you're new, hit that subscribe button. And if you're returning, thanks for watching my videos. Yes, thank you for watching the videos. I'm just here to bring y'all some exciting, new, different, innovative, whatever you want to call it. You ain't gonna see it on the other channels. That's all I'm trying to say. That's it. That's all I'm trying to say. That's all I want to get into. And yo, I don't even know. So this the thing, right? I don't even know if these have had a release date. I'm pretty sure they have, but with all setbacks and drawbacks with shipping delays and all that, they probably never drop. So this will be a 3-part video because I have 2 of the shoes in the same mind of these shoes, and they just ain't, the packs ain't landed yet. So once the packs land, we get the other parts of these videos and the other colors and stuff of this shoe. So without further ado, let's get into this shoe. It is a dope shoe. It's different. Y'all know, if y'all have watched my channels over the years, over the year half or so, that I am a Air Force One head. I figured I was getting a lot of Jordans and different stuff like that. And I'm like, man, I just really want to tap into what I like. And this is what we tapping into. You know what I'm saying? What we tapping into. So, yes. Shout out to StockX on the plug. Only thing I'm tripping about is they did send this box taped. I am really tripping about that. I don't understand it. StockX, y'all probably ain't watching this, but what the fuck is that? But hey, I'm gonna rock with it because I wanted the shoes, and it is what it is. It's just a box at the end of the day. But like I said before, it is 3 colorways of this shoe. We're gonna get into it, and hey, it's the part 1. So yes, y'all see it. It is a Nike Air Force One. Yes. These well, I'm gonna look in the inside. I don't know if they got a like I said, a release date for these. Y'all see the tagging right there. It's a release date for these, but it might be. I'll try to put some info in the description. If there was a release date, I think these were supposed to release last year. But like we know, with all shipping delays and stuff getting pushed back and shoes just not being shipped over to the US, we not getting some of the releases that we was getting. So in 2022 and 2023, if I don't know, the war might mess stuff up too. So I don't know. Whatever's going on, it's just a lot of stuff is messed up. So, yo, let's get into the shoe. Let's get into it. The Air Force One paper. And hey, bam. Now I know on the outside, y'all looking like, that's just a red and white. That's just a white and red Air Force One. Wait, there's more. Let's dig into it. 1, 2, y'all know how we do. Drop the box and let's dig into it. So, bam. Alright, so on the outside looking in, yes, it's a regular Air Force One. But we got some hidden gems and some gems on this shoe that, in my opinion, I think y'all gonna like. So, the first one, they called the Varsity jackets for a reason. So, on that heel, you got the, normally what your Varsity logo or name or whatever badge patch will be in, and that's that, carpet look, on the back of that boy. I mean, it is a dope look. Swinging around to the side, on the side panel here, you have the what the jacket will be made of, the Varsity jacket made of. So on that side panel there, you have that, and then you get around to just the rest of the shoe. That inside is red, the bottom is red, the tongue and all that is red. I like the gray touch to the tongue here and on the heel. The Nike Air is gray and or silver, whatever y'all want to call it, and so is the tongue tab. So with off-white hints on it, that just that vintage vibe, the whole look of this shoe. I'm telling you, this summer we gonna kill this summer, man. That whole vintage vibe look of this shoe makes this shoe that much worth getting. I think the shoe was supposed to retail around 110 because I think it is a premium shoe or whatever you want to call it. The leather on these boys on here is cold. I think the top panel is just regular Air Force One leather, but it is some tumble leather in this shoe. And like I said, the laces are, whoa, the laces are cream. The laces are cream along with the bottom. Yo, this is a dope shoe, man. This is a dope shoe. Like I said, I just wanted to get this out. This is a 3-part to this just because I'm waiting on packs to land, and I do want to get y'all something out. So this is the first one. We do have 2 more coming to the collection, and these might not leave the collection. I'm not gonna hold y'all up. These might not leave the collection, man. They might not. You know, some shoes come, some shoes go. Some shoes you can live without, and some shoes you just gotta have. And these I just gotta have. Like I said before, this is the Varsity jacket, Air Force One, and the color scheme on these is white, gym red, and sail. So that kind of did get this color scheme right in the box. It is a simple color scheme, but like I said before, these are releasing in a 3-pack, and packs still coming in. So we waiting on the rest of the packs. So when the rest of the packs drop, we will be back with that. In the meantime, in between time, this your boy Blacked Out Kickz coming to y'all with another. So hey, stay blessed, be blessed, and always always find a way.
We get on the track.
Oh yeah.
Me and my team never lack.
Oh yeah.
Out.
Stay with the racks.
Oh yeah.
Spend it, then we get it back.
Oh yeah. Talking crazy, we can get it.
Oh yeah.
You know that we bought it, we lit it.
Oh yeah.
I told him I got it, he living.
Oh yeah.
They mad cause he made it bigger.
Oh yeah. We get on the track.
Oh yeah.
Me and my team never lack.
Oh yeah.
Stay with the racks.
Oh yeah.
Spend it, then we get it back.
Oh yeah. Talking crazy, we can get it.
Oh yeah.
You know that we bought it, we lit it.
Oh yeah.
I told him I got it, he living.
Oh yeah.
They mad cause we made it bigger.
Oh yeah. Spiff coming through and I'm coming correct. Got green but you losing, you play for the Jets. My dudes wear the black and white stripe, ain't no set. They just wanna look proper when giving a tech. You lie to yourself when you say you the best. That is the stuff that can make me upset. You should be true with the man in the mirror. I'm wiping them up, that should make it clear. Lime like green like we riding the scooters. Girls be impressed by the way we maneuver. I love how they talk like they really some shooters. When they play the back like they riding an Uber. Remember when I could not do this for real. Had no more confidence but had the skill. Switch my uncertainty with some more urgency. Now you gon' hear me for all of eternity. I let go of the stuff that burdened me. When I'm doing this, swear it's like surgery. So meticulous when I be spitting this, comparing us, it's like really ridiculous. I don't stop at nothing but the baseline, cause I don't really like to go waistline. Cause when I